Today, we are going to talk about Stackby, a no code platform that helps you to create custom databases and automate the tasks for your business or projects. Many freelancers, small teams, and business owners spend a lot of time managing spreadsheets, organize data, and repeating the manual processes. Stackby is designed to simplify all of this by letting you build flexible databases, track information, and automate the workflows without any coding. In this video, I will explain what Stackby is, what its key features, and who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal work with this tool on AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explore the practical platforms that help freelancers, small businesses, and teams to save time and work smarter using easy and effective technology. If this kind of content helps you, then make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link from description to explore Stackby with any available lifetime offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Stackby is built to combine spreadsheets, databases, and automation in a one flexible workspace. Instead of juggling multiple tools for project management, tracking, or data collection, Stackby allows you to organize everything in a single platform. This makes your work more organized and reduces the repetitive manual work. One of the most important features of Stackby is custom databases. You can design tables to store the information that fits your specific business needs, whether it's client data, inventory, leads, or project details. You are not limited to predefine the templates, which gives you the flexibility to structure your data exactly how you want. Another key feature is automation of workflows. Stackby lets you automate repetitive tasks such as sending the reminders, updating status, or syncing the data between tables. This saves time and ensures important tasks that are not missed. Stackby also integrates with popular tools and services. You can connect it to apps like Gmail, Slack, or social media platforms to automate actions and keep everything synchronized. This is especially helpful for small teams who want to reduce the manual updates across different systems. For freelancers and small business owners, another benefit is real-time collaboration. You can share your Stackby workspace with teammates, assign tasks, and track the updates. This ensures everyone stays on the same page and reduces confusion or delays. Another useful feature is visualization options. You can view your data in different ways, including grids, calendar, Kanban board, or chart. This makes it easier to analyze information and make decisions quickly. Stackby is particularly valuable for people who manage multiple projects or deal with complex data. It allows you to centralize all of your information and automate the process and keep everything organized without needing coding skills. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. Stackby is offered as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you make one-time payment and get the long-term access. This is ideal for freelancers, small teams, and business owners who want automation and database management without recurring subscription costs. The first year is usually suitable for solo users or small projects. It provides core database and automation features, which is enough for small workflows and personal productivity. The next year is better for growing teams. You can create more databases, automate more tasks, and collaborate with multiple team members. This is helpful if your business or projects are expanding. The higher tiers are designed for advanced users or larger teams. These plans support more database, more integrations, and more complex automation. If you manage multiple projects or clients, these tiers gives you the full flexibility to scale. So if you want to create custom databases, automation, and save hours in every week, then checking the lifetime deal through the description link can be a smart move. You just choose the tier that fits to your business or your needs, and the offer will be applied automatically without any coupon code. Stackby is a beginner friendly and powerful platform that combines spreadsheets, database, and automation in one tool. It helps the freelancers, small businesses, and teams to work smarter and stay organized. That was the video about Stackby and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.